What's up guys, I'm back like I never left. In this video we're going to be talking about a company that is associated with cryptocurrency. So there's a huge catalyst coming up pretty soon that can significantly affect the stock price of this specific company. We're going to go over exactly what is the technology, what is the fundamental, the technical analysis, what's the ideal price when you get involved in this company. So I'm going to cover all this important information coming up. Now before we get into the video, I appreciate if you hit the like button. If you have any questions, any comments, make sure you drop in the comment section below. Shout out to everybody that subscribed to the channel and that turn on notifications. So the company that we're going to be talking about is going to be ZK International, and they have a huge upcoming event in February 24, which they're going to be launching their crypto. So this stock price is definitely rallying up to the upside in spite of that. So as you can see over here, ZK International DeFi platform crypto ETF and upcoming crypto coin could hit the jackpot. ZK International has been ramping up its subsidiary X Sigma, which is a blockchain research and developmental lab. So later on, we're going to watch a video about what X Sigma is. But as you can see over here, we have the stock price that's been consistently rising up to the upside. Today by itself is up 18.1% of the upside. It's been breaking out. It was a penny stock right now, trading around like $4. Now it's sitting at $8, and there's a massive catalyst coming out pretty soon. So when you look at go to the NASDAQ website, this is where they initially posted that the ZK International subsidiary S Sigma Corporation announces its DeFi protocol launch date. So the launch date, as I mentioned, is going to be scheduled in the 24th of February 2021. So when you look at exactly the company ZKIN, so when you look at the fundamentals, there's not a lot of shares available for this company. As you can see, the share outstanding is only 16.5, not a lot of short floats. And also when you look at exactly institutional ownership and insider ownership, there's a lot of insider ownership, which is around 62%, which is pretty good. The company owners, the CEOs, they definitely believe in the company, so they own a lot of share of it. Not a lot of institutional ownership, which is sitting at 2.5%. So now when you look at the technology of the company, which is S Sigma, let's check out introduction of the video about the company, this blockchain technology. And after that, I'm going to come back and we're going to go over exactly what is the ideal price when you get involved in it. It's going to be by the rumors of the news event that can potentially happen, and why the stock has been going up to the upside continuously for the past few days. So first, let's check out this video about the blockchain technology that they're going to be launching up pretty soon.
Introducing X Sigma, delivering exclusive patented breakthrough technology and revolutionizing business by empowering the supply chain with blockchain. X Sigma creates trusted transactions by combining track and traceability, connected by IoT smart devices on a secure blockchain platform. Using IoT devices and QR codes, we track supply chain events as they make their way through the manufacturing process, tracking everything about their existence, such as water quality, temperature, GPS locations, validating their origin and history to the consumer. IoT devices communicate this information machine to machine throughout the process, using blockchain to create tamper-proof, authentic records. Blockchain is a fundamental necessity for consumer trust and brand protection, providing transparency, security, validity, and restoring confidence in a world of uncertainty. In China, only 3% of the population has access to drinkable water from the water taps in their homes. But imagine with X Sigma being able to test your water and know with confidence that clean, clear water is being delivered straight to your faucet. X Sigma is a wholly owned subsidiary of ZK International, and its IoT and blockchain solution is powered by TNT Blockchain. ZK International is a world-class manufacturer of high-performance stainless steel products, supplying China's next generation with clean water and safe natural gas delivery through high-quality piping systems and infrastructure. By combining IoT and blockchain technology with high-tech piping infrastructure, X Sigma, TNT Blockchain, and ZK International are working together to create smart pipe systems that will disrupt and transform the traditional pipe market. With the ability to monitor content and flows while sharing and distributing information through our secure, visible, and trusted ledger, our smart pipe solution will alert and highlight undrinkable water and gas leakage, dramatically improving reliability and safety, all the while keeping ZK at the forefront of new technology. The uses for this revolutionary new technology are limitless. Find out how X Sigma can drive and improve the power of your company.
So this is what they're going to be launching at February 24th. So there's been a lot of hype, with NASDAQ, ZK International Group Incorporated. So there's been a lot of hype moving forward with this specific company. So the stock prices, as you can see, has been continuously going to the upside. So we're going to be talking about exactly if it's a good time to chase it or not. Of course, the ideal price point to get involved in this company was around $4. But if you're somebody that wants to get involved in it, because all of these Bitcoin stocks, these cryptocurrency stocks, have been booming to the upside. They've been breaking out to the upside significantly. So the majority of them were Bitcoin mining companies, but also these other crypto associated stocks have been popping up. Even we talked about yesterday, some penny stock that are associated with the OTC stocks associated with the crypto. Anytime they say something about they're going to be launching their own crypto, or they're going to be partnering, they're going to be expanding to blockchain, etc., the stock definitely pops up. So for this specific company, they have a catalyst coming up pretty soon in February 24th. So that's going to be in a few days. So it's probably in the next week. So definitely be on the lookout for that. We might have a continuation momentum. We might have a pullback. But of course, this can definitely be a solid opportunity to swing trade it for the short term. But of course, it looks like it's overextended, but there can definitely be more room for this company to go. So definitely be on the lookout for that. But of course, you have to be super careful and manage your risk. And the other important thing you want to be looking at, of course, is going to be the volume. Has also been coming up. There's been a lot of activity going on. We have the overall stock market that's been going up to the downside, pulling back to the downside. We even have some crypto mining stocks that have been pulling back to the downside. So this one is the company that has been going up to the upside because it has its own individual catalysts. So that's definitely one of the important things you want to be looking out for about this specific company. So as I mentioned, if you want to do more research about it, you can definitely go and detail and look into go to NASDAQ and see exactly what this company is all about, what is the launch of this cryptocurrency, and why this can definitely help the market that this company is established. So this is definitely a Chinese company, and they're trying to help and also mine. They have different mining program platforms and etc. So it's going to be interesting to see how this crypto sphere that's been exploding up in spite of what's happening with Bitcoin. So these companies can definitely expand and can keep growing and keep expanding and going to the upside. So definitely keep it in your watch list. So the stock has just been definitely pumping up to the upside. So if you have any questions, any comments about this company, make sure you drop it in the comment section below. And if you want to sign up for Webull, or if you have any questions or join the free Discord chat, links available in the description box. But I catch you guys on another video later on. Peace out.